Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Legion screen looks terrible, you're not alone. This can often be caused by a damaged display or a faulty connection. Ignoring this issue may lead to further complications, including permanent damage to the screen or related components, so it's best to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen for your Lenovo Legion. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Next, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of your Lenovo Legion. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the display connector, which is usually situated near the battery. This can be tricky, so be gentle as you detach the connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you will need to unscrew the faulty screen. Take note of the type of screws used. They are typically small Phillips screws, so ensure you don't lose them. Apply a little force, but not too much, as you don't want to damage the surrounding components. After removing the screen, carefully lift it out, making sure not to pull any cables connected to the motherboard. Once the old screen is out, take your new replacement screen and position it correctly in place. Reconnect the display connector, ensuring a secure fit. Double-check that all cables are properly connected before you reassemble the back cover. To reattach the cover, press it firmly and evenly to ensure it snaps back into place without any gaps. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion to check that the screen functions correctly. If everything looks good, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.